Hi, this is Ralph from Aquarium Butler, and today we are going to have a session on how to train your clownfish. So, pointing on the fish, this is Piccolino here. You're going to use a clicker. We're going to say, Pico, eat. And Pico eats. Good job, Bluey. Eat. Good job, Bluey. Okay, Piccolino. Eat. Good job. Okay, kissy to daddy. Kissy to daddy. Kissy to daddy. Good boy. Good boy, Pico. This is a small illustration. At Aquarium Butler, we keep your tanks nice and clean. Just call us for a service.